Are you tired of choosing between fresh air and a beautiful, unobstructed view? Traditional screen doors are bulky, always in the way, and can ruin your home's aesthetic. It's time for an upgrade. You need the best retractable screen doors on the market. These ingenious systems vanish into a sleek housing when not in use, giving you a crystal clear, open doorway. Product number 1. Magzo Thickened Aluminum Retractable Screen Door. Size 39.4 inches by 81.1 inches. Experience Magzo Thickened Aluminum Retractable Screen Door. Size 39.4 inches by 81.1 inches. Retractable screen door size. Actual screen door size 39.4 by 81.1 inches. Before buying, measure your door and order the right size. Colors for screens, black. Colors for metal frames, white. Improved materials. Retractable door features a tough aluminum alloy frame that won't rust like regular metal doors. It's also more impact resistant than wooden doors, ensuring greater durability and sturdiness for your home. Retractable screen door size. Actual screen door size 39.4 by 81.1 inches. Before buying, measure your door and order the right size. Colors for screens, black. Colors for metal frames, white. Improved materials. Retractable door features a tough aluminum alloy frame that won't rust like regular metal doors. It's also more impact resistant than wooden doors, ensuring greater durability and sturdiness for your home. Product number 2. Retractable magnetic screen door with sliding trap for 72 by 80 inch doors. Experience retractable magnetic screen door with sliding trap for 72 by 80 inch doors. Smooth sliding curtain trap. Designed for French doors and patio sliding doors, this 72 by 80 inches magnetic screen door features a top-mounted sliding track for effortless side-to-side movement, allowing full access without obstruction. Enhanced adhesive durability. The innovative sliding track system evenly distributes weight, reducing strain on adhesive strips. This prevents detachment issues found in traditional magnetic screen doors, ensuring long-term stability. Product number 3. Magnetic screen door. Upgraded model full strip magnets. Experience magnetic screen door upgraded model full strip magnets. Full strip magnets for seamlessly close. Screen size 34 inches by 81 inches. Fits all door up to 32 inches by 80 inches. Upgraded magnetic door screen full strip magnets are used instead of individually placed magnets. The entire closing strip of our screen doors is filled with one long rectangular magnets that allow our screen door magnets to close more quickly and seamlessly behind you like magic, and to help keep the door closed even in strong wind gusts. Good idea for screen door cover for front door doorway. Heavy-duty fiberglass mesh door screen. Our upgraded sturdy fiberglass mesh door screen is tear-proof, well-ventilated, well-lighted, fireproof, and corrosion-resistant. It's up to 10 times stronger than traditional polyester screen door net. Product number 4. Brisa Double Black Retractable Screen Door. Experience Brisa Double Black Retractable Screen Door. Ideal retractable screen doors for French doors. For 96-inch tall in-swing or out-swing entry doors with a width range of 68 inches to 72 inches wide or narrower with modification. Innovative Easy Glide system provides a smooth and steady experience each and every time. Experience Brisa Double Black Retractable Screen Door. Product number 5. Flux Phenom Magnetic Screen Door Bugs Out. Measure your door size first. Designed to fit doors up to 38 by 82 inches, this magnetic screen door mesh works on standard single doors. Does not work with garage doors. Ensure you measure your door frame accurately before purchasing. Modern mesh with no visible lines. Made with reinforced fine weave mesh, this upgraded mesh magnetic door screen is designed without bulky vertical lines for a clean, modern look that blends with your decor.
Enjoy a cleaner appearance for your home with our see-through design that lets sunlight and airflow pass through. It's lightweight, heavy-duty, and tough enough to last through daily use to keep mosquitoes and bugs outside.